Hello, boys and girls. I hope you're doing fine today. And today I'm going to be helping you with your assignment on page 337 of your math book. Remember, we're talking about equivalent fractions, and that equivalent fractions are fractions that have different numbers, but they have the same value. And if you look at them in a number line, they are located at the same point in the number line. Okay, so I'm going to read exercise number 1, and it says, complete each number line, show all fractions, including each fraction for 1. That means that my number ones here are also going to be labeled with fractions, okay? The first one is asking me to divide into halves. So if I have a number line that goes from 0 to 1, I'm guessing that 1/2 would be over here. I'm trying to be as exact as I can in my divisions, okay? I see that here I have almost 2 equal parts, and that's what is important for me to visualize, that the sections are divided into almost same size, okay? I already have my value for 0, so I'm guessing that this one is 1/2. And if that one is 1/2, then my number 1 is going to be 2 halves. Now on the second one, it's asking you to divide into thirds. And it's already giving me 0/3 and 1/3. So I'm just missing one over here, which is going to be 2/3. And then I just need to label my 1 as 3/3. All right, your job is going to be to do the next ones. Now here you're going to be divided into fourths, and it's already giving you 0/4, 1/4. So I'm guessing that you need to do 2/4 here, 3/4 here, and then 4/4 are going to be the fraction that's gonna be located in number 1. Okay, then you're going to be divided into 6 and then into 8s. And when you are done, this is going to help you answer the next questions 2, 3, and 4. Question number 2 is asking you to write an equivalence chain with fractions that equal 2/2. Okay, so what you need to do is find all the fractions that are located in the same point as 2/2, right? Which are going to be the ones here. So basically what you're going to do is look at the fractions that are labeled on the number ones in your number line, and you're going to form an equivalence chain. What is an equivalence chain? It's just for you to write the fractions that you have on number ones. For example, 2/2, you write them over the line. And then remember that equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal. So I need to put my equal sign, and then I'm gonna put the next fraction there, which is 3/3 equal, and then you're going to put or write the fraction that goes here, and then you're going to write the one that goes here. Remember that each one of them have to be divided with the equal sign, okay? Because that's what's going to show me that they are equivalent, all right? Then the next question is, why are the fractions in the equivalence chain for 2/2 equal? Here, you're going to write an explanation of what you have learned of equivalent fractions in class. For example, you can say that their lengths are the same, or that they are located at the same points, and so on. And in number 4, it's asking you, why does the length of unit fractions grow smaller as their denominators get larger? And what you can say there is that there are more equal parts in the same whole, or the same distance. So each part must be smaller, okay?